Jennifer Reynoso can't imagine how her 3-year-old son Ethan, who has special needs, sat on a bus for more than 8 hours Thursday. He left the Child Development Center in Harlem in the afternoon and didn't get to their South Bronx home until 1 a.m.
The driver had to get off the bus and direct traffic and tell drivers to let him by.
Some students arrived home as late as 3 this morning. These classmates walked in around 1 a.m. after traveling by bus from the South Bronx Classical Charter School.
I was really cold. It was scary. I was hearing crying and my friend Kayla saying she needs to go to the bathroom.
Today they stayed home.
I didn't send her to school because that's traumatizing for the kids who have to use the bathroom and unfortunately had accidents.
And when they called the city's Office of Pupil Transportation,
I got put on hold a lot. They were saying we're closer, and then they were further, and you know, it looks like the whole time they were still in the same spot.
the school's chancellor claims only 10 to 12% of bus routes were severely delayed. We demanded answers from him and the mayor.
It's unacceptable. As the mayor mentioned, we're working right now on having those tracking systems on all of our buses.
I never want to see public school parents have to go through what they went through last night.
While buses appear to be back on schedule, many students we spoke with say they are hesitant to ride them again.
I'm scared it's going to happen the same thing.
How do you feel about putting him back on the bus on Monday?
I'm not.
Parents hope the city learns from this, or it's going to be a longer winter than it needs to be. In the Bronx, Lisa Rozner, CBS 2 News.
And to make matters worse, parents who did send their kids to school today found out afterwards after-school activities were canceled, scrambling once again now to pick them up earlier than expected. The chancellor says because so many drivers called out sick after working so late last night, they could not accommodate later transit needs today.